Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best foldable phones on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. This phone remains the best foldable phone you can get today, despite the numerous competitors that have entered this space as of late. Despite a growing number of challengers, Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold line remains the best flagship foldable on sale today. On the Z Fold 5, Samsung introduced its new Flex hinge, which has slimmed down the phone's dimensions while allowing it to close completely flat. It boasts blazing performance thanks to its Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, excellent battery life, and the flexible main display's brightness is the best you can get with a peak of 1715 nits. And, thanks to new multitasking gestures and an updated taskbar, its capacity for mobile productivity is simply unmatched. Number 2. Google Pixel Fold. Google's Pixel Fold is thinner than Samsung's latest model, and it boasts better cameras as well. While the Z Fold may be our favorite big foldable overall, the Pixel Fold isn't far behind. Its wider design means its 5.8-inch exterior display feels a lot more usable than the Z Fold 5's skinnier 6.2-inch cover screen. Additionally, that extra width results in a flexible main panel with a landscape orientation, so it's super easy to open the Pixel Fold and launch straight into watching a TV show or movie. No need to rotate the device. And, despite being Google's first foldable device, the Pixel Fold, 12.1mm, is thinner than Samsung's alternative, 13.4mm, while boasting better camera quality and a longer 5x optical zoom. The phone also has IPX8 water resistance and Google's excellent Pixel-only software, including features like the Hold For Me, Call Screener, the Pixel Recorder app, and more. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is the best and most compact foldable out there, and a larger external screen makes it much easier to do things without even opening the handset. Packing a faster Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, better cameras, and longer battery life, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is our favorite compact foldable. This year, Samsung even added its new Flex hinge, which makes the phone thinner while also eliminating the gap between its screen when closed. Also, thanks to its larger 3.4-inch exterior display, the latest model can do much more without needing to open it up. You can even run full Android apps, though you'll have to mess around with Samsung's Good Lock software first. Number 4. Motorola Razer Plus. Motorola's Razer Plus has a ton of personality, and compared to Samsung's Flip-style foldable, it's a touch easier to use. While the Razer Plus, or the Razer 40 Ultra for those outside North America, may not be quite as sophisticated as the Galaxy Z Flip 5, what it lacks in tech it makes up for with its personality. It's available in 3 colors, with the magenta model featuring a soft vegan leather back. In addition, its exterior display features a neat cutout that wraps around its cameras, and compared to Samsung's Flip-style foldable, it's a touch easier to use. There's no need to fool around with extra settings just to view all your favorite Android apps. And for those who are nostalgic for the original Razer from the early 2000s, Moto even included an Easter egg that features a retro UI. Unfortunately, its water resistance is much less substantial, as it's only rated to withstand spills or small splashes. Number 5. Moto Razer Phone. The non-plus Moto Razer, aka the Razer 40 internationally, is the company's first attempt to make a more affordable flip-style foldable. Starting at £800 US, pricing still TBA, it's one of the least expensive options on sale today. However, it features a much smaller 1.5-inch exterior display along with a slower Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chip and somewhat underwhelming cameras. On the bright side, it features the same display you get on its more expensive sibling. The one difference is that it's limited to 144 Hz instead of 165 Hz due to its less powerful processor. And, similar to the magenta Razer Plus, all the colors of the basic Razer, sage green, vanilla cream, summer lilac, come with a soft vegan leather back. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.